Hi Tarot Lovelies, it is Ethony and it's Friday on my channel, which means it's First Impression Friday, where I get to share a new deck with you and we get to explore and discover it together. And today I have got the Shamanic Medicine Oracle cards. Now the story behind this deck is I actually got this deck for someone, for Dominic's father actually, for his birthday, I want to say. That sounds about right. And I loved it so much that I was like, I've got to get a copy for myself. So I finally do. This is by Blue Angel and carried, I got this one from Llewellyn, which makes sense because that's who my book is published through. So I have the Shamanic Medicine Oracle cards, and this is by, okay, I'm going to say this wrong, I'm sure, Barbara Malikin John Free and Flavia Kate Peters. I'm really sorry, I just butchered your names. The artwork though, I can't even, it's so beautiful. Like I said, I got this for my son's father for his birthday. I saw the artwork and I was dead. I was like, I have to get this for myself. So this is the Shamanic Medicine Oracle cards. Let's switch over those cameras and go through this deck together. Okay, so I have swapped over cameras. I've just taken the Shamanic Medicine Oracle cards out of the plastic wrap and we are going to go through the deck. So this is the inside. This is by Blue Angel Publishing, as I mentioned in the first. Oh, we have a blank card. I don't know if that was meant to happen, but we have a blank card. Okay, so we have the box. Always a lovely, sturdy box from Blue Angel. I was really drawn to the artwork in this deck. Really drawn to it. I bought this as a present for someone that I know too who undergoes shamanic training. So not gilded, that standard cardstock from Blue Angel, really stunning back. And then we have the guidebook, which I will go through later. So let's go through the cards. So this is lovely cardstock. It's $3.50 at least. It might even be a $400 because of the size of the cards. It is a bigger oracle deck, and I actually don't mind a large oracle deck at all. All right. So we have air, creativity. I'm going to stand up because I can't really see what I'm doing here. So air, creativity. Altar, oh that's so beautiful. Honoring. Ancestors, wisdom. Bells, deflection. It's a gorgeous tool there. Birds, freedom. Birth, renewal. Bones for casting, divination. Buried in earth, transference. The artwork is, like, I just think it is so stunning. Cave, retreat, with that labyrinth in there. Conch shell, calling. It's so beautiful. Crystals, amplification. I love the dot work as well. Death, transmigration. Dream weaver, accessibility. So dot art is a sacred, in a lot of places in the world, is sacred medicine. It was like a sacred art form. Drum, awaken. Earth, nature. That's really beautiful. Look at that, so gorgeous. East, emergence. Feathers, restoration. Fire, passion. As you can see, like some of this is a little more modern. Flute, expression. And then we have the honouring of Indigenous cultures. Four-legged endurance. So I love our four-legged friends. Great mystery, trust. Insect support. So yeah, there's just something that really calls me to this artwork in this deck. Journey, imagination. I'd love to hear from other people who have worked with this. Lodge, council. Whoa, that takes me back to the times I've done Sweat Lodge. They are not easy. Lower world, past. Medicine bag, treasure. Medicine mask, authenticity. Medicine shield, protection. And so we have the cover art there. Beautiful. Medicine wheel, continuation. Middle world, present. Get my big fat thumb out of the way. North, solitude. Offerings, wealth. Plant medicine, truth. Prayer, hope. Rattle, disperse. Rattlesnakes actually legit sound like rattles. I was the one and only time I've ever heard a rattlesnake rattle. I was hiking in the Okanagan here in BC back in like 2007, and I was shocked at how they sound like a rattle, which makes sense because it's called a rattlesnake, but it's a dead ringer for like a baby rat for a rattle. Sacred site, purpose. Basically, I'm just saying that I'm in awe of the natural world. Sea creatures, immersion. Shaman, completion. Shapeshifter, perspective. Soul retrieval, reclamation. South, abundance. Staff, foundations. Stone people, knowing. Tree of life, conception. Tree people, sustenance. Oh, that's awesome. I love that card. They're all so pretty. There's so much detail in these. Trickster, challenge. Upper world, future. That beautiful astrology wheel. Vision quest, seek. Water, expression. Oh, west, purge. I want a tattoo like that of an open, like a flying owl. Probably, I mean, there's a lot of reasons why the owl is one of my sacred animals. It's my lunar animal. My solar animal is the bee. I don't know if it's mostly to do with Athena being my matron goddess, but also I love owls, and maybe the fact that I watched The Labyrinth like a gazillion times growing up, maybe. But David Bowie, amazing creature, amazing person, amazing soul, amazing star child. Just love. Okay, so this is the book. We have acknowledgements, the contents. I like when it's really, I love a good content page of like where you can find the cards. Introduction. So become the shaman, how to use the cards. Suggested card spreads. and then messages. Then we move into the message, and then at the back we have about the authors and artists, and then more. So I'm going to give a quick shuffle, and then we will see what the messages are, what we get. They shuffle really well. I always riffle shuffle my oracle. They could be, ooh, that was loud. They could be seen as a little sticky because of the lamination, but it's okay. I'm not mad at that. That's something that can be easily fixed with use, and also if you really need them to be like a little less sticky, you can use staining powder. I'm just going to choose one. Staff foundations. So this spare card was just in the box, so I'm going to use this for crafting. It'll be a really good one to use for crafting. So I'm going to go to staff, 98, so nice and easy to find, although it is in alphabetical order, so you know, not a massive deal. Okay, foundation. So we have the message of the staff. Staff lends itself for you to lean on whilst you take stock of where you are in your journey. Staff revealed, used for thousands of years by prophets, royalty, high priests, and priestess, this magical tool known as the staff is a symbol of authority. Then the other divination meanings, and then the staff speaks. Lean on me, focus and wait, determine what to dissipate, strip beliefs back to the core, strong foundations help you soar. And what I love about this as well is that in the tarot, sometimes the wands are called staffs. This can give you a bit of another insight to that, you know, the fact that they can be used for many things. So that's what you get for each one of the cards. I didn't really give much commentary on the artwork because it's really, really beautiful. I do these unboxings to show you really what you're getting and to see whether you are going to vibe with the imagery in the deck. I think it's so beautiful. Obviously lots of use of circles, spirals, webs, and a lot of beautiful dot work in there as well. I'm really looking forward to working with it. I knew I was gonna like this deck. Like I said, I bought it for someone as a present, and then I had to get another copy for myself because I loved it. I was like, oh no, I want that now. So I'm looking forward to working with it. If you've worked with the deck, how have you enjoyed it? I will place in the description box where you can go and support Blue Angel and also the Shamanic Medicine Oracle cards. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next time.